slow, conscious attack and defend, that underlying framework gives you a very good place to start to notice what things are going wrong in my condition. And it always comes back to what parts of the state, right? So let's just say, for example, Jono's starting to push. So let's just say I'm trying to attack Jono with like coming through here to hit his throat or to his eye or something like that in touch sparring. I mean, you know, you wouldn't poke him in the eye in touch sparring, but you get the idea. And let's say, for example, he starts to push across the center, right? He starts to push this way to try and stop me, which is a very common reaction. In the heat of the fast touch sparring, it's hard to notice him do that, right? It's hard to notice, but in the slow him in defense, me attack, he can notice. So if he does it wrong, he can notice, oh shit, I'm going the wrong way. John's going to easily come through now because my pressure is going this way and his pressure is going at me. So Jono can then recorrect what's going on. He can start to fix the problem. Yeah. So what part of the state is lacking here if he's going that way? More importantly, there's another one. He's not aiming, that's right, which links to what? Forward intention, but it's what part in particular of the state? Seeing, yeah, seeing. Because remember, seeing is the hung, it's the focus, it's where you're going, right? It's where you're going. Yeah? Centering and sensing, of course you need to have those on because what the fuck are you aiming? But the most important part was where is he actually going with this, yeah? So if he takes the time not to try and beat me, but to actually fix what's going on in him, he can then, yeah, he can recorrect it now, and as I go through, that door's closed. So your slow, conscious attack and defend touch sparring is a very useful tool for once again elevating your skill. It's very similar to your slow luksao, except your luksao is just working on the defensive shield purely with both of you, projecting your defensive shields and trying to get that natural roll together, yeah? If you remember what we worked on, yeah?